Let's have a closer look. This is the robot, comes with auto empty station. The bot comes with two spare dust bags. This is the brush to keep the robot clean, and it also has sharp point to untangle the hairs. And the last one is one mopping pad. So no spares for this. The robot is 95mm high. That means it can go most of the places where traditional vacuum cannot reach. Two switches on top. One is to power on and another one is to give charge commands. The wheels are big enough to run over wires or switching from different surfaces. The brush is to capture hairs and ensuring it's collecting all the trash. And this is 360 wheel for quick maneuver. Side brush is effective cleaning edges and corners. The dustbin can be easily removed and can hold 300 ml water for mopping. The self-empty station is big enough having 4-liter dust bag installed. As per Botslab, it is hands-free cleaning for 70 days. Let's power it on. It has its own voice which responds to the commands.
Turned on.
We need to do few config, including setting up network and installing the app, and then the robot is good to go. Initially, it will start mapping the floor plan, which you can also see in your mobile app. It starts from corner and try to map the boundary first. Then we'll start cleaning the surrounding area. The robot is able to detect temporary obstacles without any problems and try to avoid hitting them. The default setting of suction power is standard, which can be changed to quiet, strong or max. The noise level is bearable and it does not bother much. On carpet, the suction power will automatically change to standard or strong. You can also manually change those settings through app. It's very effective in cleaning under the beds where normal vacuum cannot reach. It changes the suction power based on the surface. The robot is good in adapting the floor plan. I had moved my couch and it picked up in the next run and started cleaning behind the couch where it could not go before due to the limited passage. There are no doubts about the cleaning quality. The carpet looks amazing after the robot finished cleaning, which has just 2700 Pascal suction power. And you can see how much dirt it captured. That's a lot for a small robot vacuum. After each cleaning job, it goes back to the charging station and will start auto-emptying itself. The auto-empty process gets very noisy for 20 seconds. Let's see how it mops the floor. As you can see, it is leaving few corners. We can say it's covering 90% of the area. You may find few spots on the floor which could not be cleaned in one go. However, you can also adjust how many times you want it to clean the floor. But mostly it does a good job and I have no complaints on the mopping as well. With mixed vacuum and mopping, it ran for 2.5 hours and then it went to the charging station to charge itself. I did few tests. I threw rice and rice flakes on the floor. The robot could not clean all in one go, but eventually it got everything. I also tested mopping function by spraying cocoa powder based solution. After a number of rounds, it could clean the stain. The surface was spotless clean. Let's talk about the app. The app is very user friendly. You can give any command from the app. You can also see where's your robot. The application gives you option to clean a specific room, area or the whole house. You can also schedule the cleaning plan according to your choice of suction, cleaning time, etc. If you don't want robot to go to specific areas, for example, where there are chances of small toys or hanging wires, then you can also use no-go zone. You can also set no mopping zone. For example, I have set all my bedrooms as no mopping because they have carpet. The application also provides you the cleaning report. And it can also be used as a remote control to maneuver manually. Another good thing about Botslab is you can also link the bot with Alexa.
Beginning to charge.
Let's talk about few limitations. First one is tangled hairs on the brush, which we need to clean manually. Second issue is about the change of cleaning plan. So, if the robot is doing the cleaning and you want to add or remove any room, then the robot will restart the cleaning from beginning. Based on my personal experience over the last 1 month, here is my scoring. I found no issues in regards to the vacuum. The mopping function does a decent job, except it may leave few corners, but that's expected. The suction is strong enough to clean the carpets and capture all the hairs. The battery is amazing. It can run for 2.5 hours, which is enough for a 4-bedroom house. The hands-free cleaning is good, except you will have to untangle the hairs, which is mostly once in a week or depending upon your situation. Noise is bearable in quiet and standard mode. However, if you are busy doing work or watching TV, then it can affect your concentration. And the last one is application, which is amazing. It offers a wide variety of features and customization to suit your needs. That's it from my side. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, then please ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.